At Kashmir As It Is, KAII, we take pride in uplifting and supporting Kashmir-based KP enterprises that celebrate our heritage and culture. As part of this effort, we are delighted to promote the exceptional services of Zaan Travels. Zaan Travels is a premium heritage travel company offering deeply immersive experiences across Kashmir and the rest of India. Led by culturally rooted KP guides, the company brings travelers authentic stories, traditions, and insights that only those belonging to the land can share. Whether you're seeking scenic beauty, cultural exploration, spiritual journeys, or personalized itineraries, Zaan Travels curates each trip with care and authenticity. Their customized tours ensure that every journey awakens wonder. Plan your next adventure with them at zaantravels.com or +91 97162 99813. Start planning your unforgettable